Look what I found. A mystery machine. Scooby-Doo must be living here. Morning. It's Saturday. Weekend. Today we are going to Sydney CBD. And I'm so excited because it's going to be this guy. First, public transport. Are you ready, Glenn? So excited. You are in the vlog, Glenn. So we just arrived at Alexandria Green Square because we're taking train to the CBD. It's cheaper than parking at city at this time. Glenn's asleep. So we're at Green Square Station. Where are you, Glenn?
This station has
So we just arrived at city and we're going to have lunch. So we are Fuji Park, why you closed?
How many months?
2 months old.
2 months.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 months is big one.
So we just arrived at Surya. So every Saturday, it's our custom. We go out for having fun, shopping, food. So today we decided to go to city. And like I told you before, it's this guy's first train ride. Look at that food. Amazing Korean food here. Amazing. Yes, he told me that the rice getting cold, the food's not here. That's a big problem, guys. Yeah, not happy, Jan. Oh, belum matang. The cheese still raw. Awesome food. Alright, then is it time to eat? It's time to eat, guys. Whoa, S8 Plus, so cool. What happened, Glenn? This is very inconvenient for parents' room. You have to go to double door. And the door doesn't open by itself. So we just finished feeding Glenn. Now we're going to get some dessert. There's this new dessert place in Chinatown. Have a look. Hong Kong Day dessert. They specialize with. I'm not sure why it says coming soon because I'm pretty sure it's already here. Oh, so we're getting that one. I hope it's nice. Let's have a look. I think that's our agates. Man, that looks so dangerously delicious. That's green tea, red bean, mochi, strawberry, and that's the green tea agates. So how is it? Is it crispy? This one? Oh, it's pretty crispy. Look at that. Average. Walking to Pitt Street just to do some window shopping.
Porque cantando se alegran cielito lindo los corazones.
Now is the day of salvation. Now is the accepted time. Now is when you should come to Him and make your peace with Him. He's calling for you to come to Him. Come to me, Jesus said. All you who labour and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. There is a promise from Christ Himself. Rest and peace in Jesus.
Thank you. Whoa. What is this? Excuse me, I got this yesterday. Do you have the black one instead? Not the mask? Alright then, thank you. So we bought Happy Meal yesterday for Glenn, hoping that we get the Batman mask. But we actually got the Batgirl mask. Just trying to get it exchanged to Batman. Where's Sunny? That's the VR. I'm not sure why it's looking that way. Still loading. So let me tell you something. This is Heattech. It keeps you warm. And this is extra warm Heattech. It works really well. When I'm in Japan a couple years ago, it keeps me really warm. But now they have this new one, ultra warm. Oh my god, I think we need to go to North Pole for this. Hey, so it's 6:30 now. I'm so tired. We're so tired. We just finished walking around city, so we're just going to head home now. Just feel like sleeping, and yeah, so
Babe.
tired. Huh?
What for dinner?
Dinner? Oh no.